तुषाराद्रिसङ्काशगौरं कबीरं मनोभूतकोटि प्रभाश्रीशरीरं स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा लसत्फालबालेन्दुकण्ठे भुजङ्गा.
A warm welcome to all the devotees on Raksha Sutra English. We are going to narrate wonderful holy stories to all the devotees from the book Miracles of Love by Ramdas Ji, an exclusive devotee of Maharaj Ji. Please listen carefully, all the devotees. During our journey, a horse started acting up, endangering its riders. Maharaj Ji went up to the horse and spoke to it. Look here, brother, let them get down now. Let them down. Do you understand? The horse immediately became quiet. The devotees stepped down and the journey was continued on foot. An army colonel approached the gate of the army camp and found Maharaj Ji lying on the ground directly in front of the gate. When ordered to move, Maharaj Ji replied that I was God's land and he was with the CID. CID means Central Intelligence Department. The colonel became outraged and told the guards to move Maharaj Ji and jail him in the army stockade. Some hours later, the colonel, after having been out, once again approached the gate. Again he found Maharaj Ji lying before the gate. The colonel started to yell at the guards for failing to carry out his orders, but they assured him that they had done as he had directed. A check of the stockade revealed that Maharaj Ji was still there. After that, the colonel became a devotee. Maharaj Ji and some devotees spent the night in a dharamsala on the way to Badrinath. Maharaj Ji sent the entire group out of his room and forbade them to enter during the night. They had seen a big cobra on Maharaj Ji's bed. In the morning, Maharaj Ji came out with the cobra and shooed it away. Some time later in Kanchi, Maharaj Ji was told that a cobra was in the ashram. He made a hue and cry, "Cobra is here, cobra is here." A devotee remarked to him, "What is this? So much concern for a cobra now. What happened when you slept the whole night with a cobra? Now you are making such a commotion. You wicked person, go away." Maharaj Ji replied. Maharaj Ji was in Benares with the police superintendent, a devotee. They were going over to a sadhu camp on an island in the middle of the Ganga, and the superintendent said, "Well, take a boat. In Benares, the Ganga is over a mile across." Maharaj Ji countered, "No, we will go in the water." The superintendent couldn't swim and protested, "Maharaj Ji, it's over our heads." Maharaj Ji replied, "Just put your hand on my shoulder." So they waded into the river, and the next thing the superintendent knew, they were on the island. They returned the same way. At our house, after the third or fourth day following Maharaj Ji's visit, my wife heard, "Keep some water for me in the night," coming from near the picture of Maharaj Ji. One night she forgot, but later she awoke very thirsty and then remembered to put some water by the picture. In the morning, the glass which she had covered was nearly empty. There was a party going to Vasudhara near Badrinath, where the Ganga starts, but one Ma was sick, so the group wouldn't take her. As the party left to go, the Ma was bewailing her fate, and Maharaji came and said, "You want to see Vasudhara?" He touched her hand and said, "Now walk out on the porch." She did so, and what she saw was Vasudhara. She was in ecstasy. I turned out later that the party couldn't reach Vasudhara because of a roadblock. When they returned, she told them that she had been there, but of course they didn't believe her. She described it in detail, and an old guide who had been there before corroborated her description. Word reached Maharaji from the Pujari. Pujari means priest in Kanpur, that the new Murti, not yet consecrated, had been broken. Maharaji and some of us immediately set out for Kanpur, driving all night. I felt that by this intensity, Maharaji was teaching the discipline of sticking to something. There was to be no sleep until Ram's work was done. I tried to slow Maharaji down, however, by quoting the proverb, "Don't travel at night and don't be idle at noon." Maharaji said, "The same principle doesn't apply in every situation." When we arrived, we found that the Murti was no longer broken. Then Maharaji told a story of the saint Ramakrishna, in which the Durga, an aspect of the Divine Mother, Murti had been broken, and Ramakrishna did puja to it and sang to it, and soon it was all fixed. A man was trying unsuccessfully to dig a well on his property and finally sent his son to Maharaji for help. Maharaji came to the farm, urinated and left, saying, "Tell your father to try again." Indeed, a well was found, which is still gushing today. At a certain Mela, a flood destroyed a bridge which kept collapsing every time they tried to rebuild it. The organizer of the Mela came to Maharaji for help, and Maharaji said he would bless the bridge. But the men insisted that Maharaji come to the site of the bridge itself. Maharaji stood there for a while, and the flood waters began to recede. Soon the bridge was reconstructed, and the Mela turned out to be one of the most peaceful ever. God does everything. Section is long, so further stories of this section will be narrated to all devotees in next episode. To listen the wonderful holy stories of Maharaji, please like, share, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Write in the comment box, Jai Neem Karoli Babaji Maharaj.